about separation of substances. These substances are to be separated so that we can get the desired constituent from them, and what these constituents are. Now, the substances can be classified as pure and impure. In the pure substances, we have elements and compounds. In the impure, we have mixtures. The mixtures can be further classified as homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now, first we will discuss about elements. Elements are those substances which have the smallest particle as an atom. If I take iron, iron is an element, and if I want to separate the smallest particle of iron, I would get an iron atom. Similarly, sulfur is an element, and if I want to separate sulfur, I am going to get sulfur atom as the smallest particle. But in the case of compounds, molecules are present. These molecules are held together by chemical bonds, and it becomes very difficult to break those chemical bonds and requires a lot of energy. In the impure substances, we have homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures, and this chapter is going to deal about all the separation techniques of these mixtures only. For example, if I take 10 grams of water and 90 grams of salt, the quantity can be varied by taking 90 grams of salt and 10 grams of water. So, in a mixture, the constituents can be dissolved in any ratio. In any amount they can be dissolved, and the ratio is not fixed. But the individual property of every constituent present in a mixture is retained. The salt would give salty taste to the water, and we can separate the salt by simple technique of evaporation.